Hello everyone, I am doing the second question of worksheet 4 of the chapter of construction of quadrilaterals for class 8. In this question, I need to construct a quadrilateral wherein I have three sides given to me and the two angles are also given to me. The only difference in this question from the previous question is that there the angles given to me would be constructed with the ruler and compass. But here I have the angles given to me as 70-degree angle and the 100-degree angle for which I'll be using the protractor to construct. So I have in this question construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 5 centimeters, BC is 4 centimeters, CD is 4.5 centimeters, angle B is 70 degrees and angle C is 100 degrees. So let us draw the rough figure. So I have A, B, C and D. Now in this question I have AB is equal to 5 centimeters given to me, BC is 4 centimeters given, CD is 4.5 centimeters given to me. Angle B is equal to 70 degrees. Angle C is equal to 100 degrees. So I have made the rough figure. This rough figure helps me to understand that since BC is given to me and I have the angles at the endpoints at B and C also given to me. So I'll take BC as the base of 4 centimeters. At B, I will make an angle of 70 degrees with the protractor. At C, I'll make an angle of 100 degrees with the protractor. I know that BA is 5 centimeters, so with B as center, I'll make an arc such that BA will be equal to 5 centimeters. CD is 4.5, so with C as center and radius equal to 4.5, I'll make an arc. So this is point D, wherein CD is 4.5 centimeters. I'll join A and D to get the quadrilateral ABCD. So this completes the construction. Let us do the steps one by one and make the exact precise figure.
So my first step is that I draw BC line segment equal to the length 4 centimeters. So let us do that. I mark the endpoints B and C such that BC is equal to 4 centimeters. Now the next step is that at B I need to make an angle of 70 degrees. 70 degrees cannot be made with the compass. So I use the protractor to make a 70-degree angle such that angle CBX is 70 degrees. So I start measuring from C and go towards B such that I get angle CBX equal to 70 degrees. So wherever the 70-degree mark has been made, I join that point to the point B and I get the 70-degree angle. Let us mark point X. Now angle CBX is equal to 70 degrees. Now I need to make an angle of 100 degrees at point C also. So I do the same thing. I take the protractor and I put it at point C. I start measuring it from B and go towards C and I mark the 100-degree point. I join this point to point C. Let us mark this as point Y. Then angle BCY is equal to 100 degrees. Now the next step is that BA has been given to me as 5 centimeters. So I'll take the compass and open it up to 5 centimeters, and with B as center and radius equal to 5 centimeters, I'll make an arc to intersect the ray BX at point A. So let us mark point A. Now I've got point A. Now same way it is given to me that CD is also 4.5 centimeters. So I take this radius as 4.5 centimeters and I put the compass needle at point C. So with C as center and radius equal to 4.5 centimeters, I'll make an arc on the ray CY to get point D. So we have got the fourth vertex also now. Now the next step is to join A and D and we'll be getting the quadrilateral ABCD. So now ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So I hope the construction is clear to you.
So let us revise the steps of construction. My first step was to draw a line segment BC of 4 centimeters. Next, at B, I drew an angle of 70 degrees with the protractor. At C, I again drew an angle of 100 degrees using the protractor. Then with B as center and radius equal to 5 centimeters, I made an arc on this line BX. So to get point A, then with C as center and the radius equal to 4.5 centimeters, I made an arc on this line segment BY to get point B. I joined AD to get the required quadrilateral ABCD. So this is the construction. Again, as I told you earlier, it is very important for you to write the answer statement. So I write the answer statement, hence ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So I hope this construction is clear to you. Thank you so much.